Hello everyone, my name is Chloe. Today, together with Ethan, we will talk about our weekend routine. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, repeat, and practice with us. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin.
On Saturday morning, I usually wake up a bit later than on weekdays. I open my eyes at around 8 o'clock. The sun is shining through the window, and I feel happy and calm. First, I get out of bed and stretch my body. And then I go to the kitchen to make a cup of hot tea. I also eat a simple breakfast, usually eggs, toast, and fruit. I enjoy eating slowly because I don't have to hurry for work.
That sounds nice, Ethan. My Saturday morning is also very relaxed. After breakfast, I like to clean my home. I wash the dishes, sweep the floor, and water the plants near my window. The smell of clean air and fresh flowers makes me feel peaceful. I love keeping my home tidy and bright.
Yes, cleaning feels good. After that, I often go shopping in the late morning. I take a small bag and walk to the supermarket near my house. There, I buy bread, fruit, and vegetables for the week. Sometimes, I also buy rice, milk, and a few snacks. When I finish, I pay at the counter, smile at the cashier, and walk back home with my shopping bags.
In the afternoon, I enjoy my free time. Sometimes I meet my friends at a cafe. We sit near the window, drink coffee, and talk about our week. We share stories, laugh, and relax together. Other times, we go to the park. We walk slowly, watch children playing, and feel the fresh air on our faces. Weekends are perfect for recharging our energy.
On Saturday evening, I like to cook something special. I prepare pasta, soup, or rice with vegetables. Sometimes, I try a new recipe I saw online. Cooking at home feels fun, creative, and relaxing. After dinner, I wash the dishes, then I watch a movie or a TV series. I sit on the sofa with a blanket and enjoy my quiet time.
My Sunday morning is calm and cozy. I wake up early, open the window, and make a warm cup of tea. Then I sit near the window and read a book. I read slowly and enjoy each page. Sometimes I listen to soft music while reading. It makes me feel peaceful and happy inside.
At noon on Sunday, I visit my parents. We eat lunch together and talk about our week. My mum cooks delicious food, rice, curry, and salad. We laugh, share stories, and take family photos. Spending time with family makes me feel grateful and loved.
In the afternoon, I start to prepare for the new week. I wash my clothes and fold them neatly. I check my work bag and make sure everything is ready. Then I write a short to-do list for Monday. It helps me feel organized and calm before the new week begins.
On Sunday evening, I like to rest early. I take a warm shower, wear my pajamas, and read a few pages of a book. At around 10 o'clock, I turn off the light, close my eyes, and go to sleep with a smile. It's the perfect way to end the weekend.
And that's our weekend routine. We hope you enjoyed this slow and simple English story.
Now it's your turn. What do you do on the weekend? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for watching Viral Daily English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons and daily conversation practice. See you next time.